Developing an enterprise app used to be a long, drawn-out and tedious process that required a brain's trust of geeks and a big budget. But times are changing, as Juliet found out.
App development is becoming more and more mainstream, but custom enterprise apps tend to be complex and tricky. A local startup called Journey is hoping to change all that through its cloud-based platform for building and running custom enterprise mobile apps. Wondering what exactly a custom enterprise mobile app is? We'll let the guys from Journey explain.
So the difference between a normal app and an enterprise app is basically that an enterprise app is a mobile application used by businesses. So what businesses do is they use these apps to improve their operations or get better visibility in the field. So if you will, an enterprise app is really taking the advantages of mobile apps into the business world.
Journey started in 2009 by building a mobile app for mHealth. Community health workers would visit patients door to door to provide essential services like checking medication, scheduling clinic visits, and acting as a support structure. The project, in partnership with Vodafone, rolled out across South Africa. The mobile app was simple to use and allowed them to capture patient information, guide them through simple diagnostic processes, and store patient records. However, making the app work in South Africa has its own set of unique challenges.
So with enterprise mobile apps, the stakes are pretty high. They're typically used in critical business processes. So Journey apps are used to collect sensitive health information, manage a national network of ATMs, and similar high-risk, high-sensitivity environments. So you need the apps to keep working, even when there's no cell phone reception. You need to know your data is secure, and things like that. So for developers, managing and keeping all of that kind of in mind when they're moving very fast and trying to roll out an application in a month or less is really hard.
All of this made for a seriously rugged final version, with app components and data synchronization systems fit for the toughest real-world use. It soon became clear that health field workers weren't the only ones who could benefit from such an app, and that realization marked the development of Journey as a platform for other developers. The platform has since matured into a fully cloud-based environment for building and running custom enterprise mobile apps. Being fully cloud-based means there is no software to install. You can simply log into the online app editor and start building your software solution. The high-level visual platform is used to define the data models, layout, business logic, and menus. This makes it easy for the developer to forget about the technical complexities of implementation and focus on what he or she should be focusing on, solving the business problem. When it comes to testing the app, Journey tries to keep things as simple as possible.
We found that developers can work much more effectively when they can actually see and interact with the changes that they're making on a mobile device continuously while they're developing. So that's why we built that into Journey, that it deploys all changes that you make in the application editor over the air through the cloud to your device, and the developer can immediately actually sort of play around with the app and test that it conforms to what they wanted to build.
Another headache in the traditional mobile development is releasing an app to live users, which can be a laborious task.
Some of Journey's customers include companies that have thousands of users, often across multiple countries. And making sure that when you make changes to your business process or you make enhancements to a mobile app, that actually gets out to all those users out there in the field, all over the place. That's a difficult task. And Journey basically automates that and makes it really smooth. So it's a one-click process from a central management point of view, and all users' applications get updated automatically without any user intervention.
Journey's clever ideas have gained traction in markets around the world, with clients in the UK, Australia, and America, which just means we can be really proud of this local South African startup.